Rising costs making it tougher for families to make financial decisions, especially when it involves health.
Well, that's why so many young adults often stay on their parents' health insurance
Correct.
plans because it's expensive and the cutoff is 26. But one Verify viewer heard that military families do not get that same benefit. 10 Tampa Bay Verify anchor Josh Sidorowicz is looking into that claim.
Julie Kay from Tampa says a military family told her that their kids get kicked off their health insurance at 21. She asked us to verify. Our sources here are the proposed Health Care Fairness for Military Families Act, Florida Congressman Gus Bilirakis, and TRICARE, the health insurance provider for members of the U.S. military and their families. Looking at TRICARE's website, we can verify that technically, yes, dependents are not allowed to stay on their parents' plan once they turn 21. And that's because the federal subsidies that cover premiums for military families no longer extend to dependents at that age. Instead, they can opt for coverage under a different plan called TRICARE Young Adult, and they pay the premium. Advocates argue, though, that's unfair to military families since many private providers let dependents stay on until they're 26. Republican Florida Congressman Gus Bilirakis is a co-sponsor of the Health Care Fairness for Military Families Act. It would effectively get rid of TRICARE Young Adult and allow dependents to stay on their parents' plan until 26 without paying that premium. Now, it failed when it was first proposed back in 2021. And even today, it remains unclear how much it would cost to subsidize that kind of extended coverage.
The funds should be available for our heroes. That's the bottom line. It's a recruitment and retention issue, but it's a fairness issue as well.
Congress has just under 6 months left here in the current session to pass the measure. Verify producer Parisa Akbarpour put together more information on this, including a list of local lawmakers who are co-sponsoring this bill. You can find that in this story. It's under the Verify section of our free 10 Tampa Bay app. And as always, you can email or text your questions to Verify to the number or the address right here on your screen. With your Verify, I'm Josh Sidorowicz.